Hey Vikings, welcome back to another episode of MVTV. Hey Vikings, get ready for an exciting and important week ahead. It's AP testing season and we've got a lot going on. Kicking things off on Tuesday, May 5th, it's Teacher Appreciation Day. Make sure to show some appreciation and gratitude to the amazing teachers who support you every day. On Wednesday, May 6th, AP exams begin bright and early. AP English Literature starts at 8 a.m., then 12 p.m. we have AP US Government and Politics and AP Physics 1. Good luck to everyone testing, you've got this. Thursday, May 7th is National School Nurse Day. So don't forget to thank our incredible nurse, Nikki, for all that they do for us, healthy and keeping us safe. AP World History begins at 8 a.m. followed by AP Statistics at 12 p.m. Friday, May 8th continues with the Monumentum of AP US History at 8 a.m. and AP Macroeconomics at 12 p.m. Finish the week strong. Monday, May 11th is a late start day. Staff report at 8:25 a.m. and students report at 10:10 a.m. But remember, AP exams still begin at their scheduled times. AP Calculus AB and BC both start at 8 a.m. and AP Seminar begins at 12 p.m. Finally, on Tuesday, May 12th, AP Psychology wraps things up at 12 p.m. Stay focused, get plenty of rest, and give it your best effort. We believe in you. Let's make this a fantastic week. Have a great day and go Vikings!
Hey Vikings, here are your weekly staff announcements. First up, sideline cheer tryouts are almost here. Clinics will be from May 12th to 14th at 6 p.m. in the gym, and the tryout day is going to be in the 15th in the cafetorium. You must be cleared to try out, so please go to the activities office if you have any questions. Next, the MVHS GSA is hosting Pride Week later this month from May 18th to May 21st. To prepare for this, we'll continue with the weekly announcements on LGBTQ+ news. Today, we'll address the questions, what is Pride, and why does the LGBTQ+ community hold Pride parades? The Pride parades, also simply called Pride, commemorate the anniversary of the 1969 Stonewall riot in New York City. At the time, homosexuality was actually illegal. Holding hands with a same-sex partner, for example, was against the law. LGBTQ+ folks took refuge in gay bars because homosexuality was criminalized, but then the police started to raid those gay bars. The anger of the LGBTQ+ folks who were being prosecuted led to the riot, which is an important milestone in the gay rights movement. We also commemorate Pride to honor the people who have been lost to AIDS or to hate crimes. Pride is, at its heart, a celebration of differences. Want to know more about Pride? Check out their link tree with this link on screen. Also, as part of Pride Week, GSA will be hosting a sticker design contest. They are looking for sticker designs that reflect LGBTQ+ themes or how cultural pride connects to LGBTQ+ identities. Please submit entries no later than May 6th in PNG format to Mr. Weller at michael.weller@emuhsd.org. The top 3 finalists will receive Starbucks cards. See Mr. Weller in room 207 or email him if you have any questions. That's it from me this week, Vikings. Stay tuned next time for more LGBTQ+ content and other important info about The View.
Hello Vikings, for today's beauty tip, white under eyeliner is seriously underrated. Adding it to your waterline can make your eyes look bigger, brighter, and more awake instead of smaller. It's a simple step that can really change your whole look, so don't be afraid to try it out. Now for a quick school update. Graduation is coming up fast, which means it's the perfect time to start thinking about how you want to decorate your caps. Whether you go simple, funny, or super creative, it's a great way to show off your personality on such a big day. But that's it for me, Vikings. See you next time.
What's up, Vikings? Here's your weekly update on sports across the View. This is a very short but special week for our Viking seniors, seeing the end of their amazing careers. On Wednesday, May 6th, varsity softball will bring on the Royal Knights at the Viking softball field as they celebrate their senior night and lead their seniors with an unforgettable experience. Later, at 6 o'clock, varsity baseball will face the Knights themselves at the Viking baseball field, having an amazing celebration of their own for all of their dedicated seniors on their senior night. As always, let's make sure to go out and show our support for our fellow Viking athletes. Also, make sure to keep an eye out for the VISTA livestream links so you can watch our Vikings from anywhere. That's all for this week, Vikings. See you guys next time.
Hey Vikings, today's song recommendation is Zombie by the Cranberries. Zombie was included in their album named No Need to Argue, which was released in 1994. I personally think this song is pretty well known, but its genre is alternative rock and grunge. That's all for me this week, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, the TV show for this week is The Legend of Korra. The Legend of Korra follows Avatar Korra as she navigates political turmoil, spiritual crises, and extremist threats in a steampunk-inspired world. Set 70 years after Avatar The Last Airbender, Korra struggles to master airbending and master the spiritual side of her duties while facing villains who challenge her understanding of peace, equality, and power. That's all for this week, Vikings.
Hey Vikings, today's Spanish quote is Dime con quién andas y te diré quién eres, which translates to tell me who you walk with and I'll tell you who you are. We need that the people you surround yourself with reflect your character. That's it for me, Vikings. See ya.
Hey Vikings, welcome back. This week we have quarter zips. They are back in focus this week, emerging as a versatile staple that blends comfort with everyday style. Brands like Ralph Lauren and Lululemon are driving the trend with updated takes, ranging from performance wear to polished, preppy designs. With their adaptable collars and easy layering potential, quarter zips are quickly becoming a go-to piece across casual, streetwear, and smart casual looks. That's all from me, Vikings. See you next time.
Hey Vikings, this week's movie is Are You There, God? It's me, Margaret. It's about an 11-year-old girl named Margaret Simon who is learning how to grow up. After moving to a new town, she makes new friends, starts a new school, and deals with challenges of puberty and fitting in. She also struggles with questions about religion and often talks about her guidance. In the end, Margaret learns that growing up takes time and everyone moves at their own pace. That's all for me, Vikings. See you next time.
I really enjoyed. Bye bye.